Hello my teenies, welcome back to my channel, and today we are filming on my MacBook because storage. Anyways, I am filming a pack with me video because your girl is going on a little trip. Stay tuned if you guys want to see where I end up going. So yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be so much fun. You guys are going to meet my huge Mexican family. I have like 10,000 cousins, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started with the video because it is currently, put this down, it's heavy. Guys, it is currently 6:26. I need to edit and post this video. I need to pack. I leave tomorrow morning. Let's get started with the video. So we are positioned, and let me get something for my butt. I don't have a lot, so when I sit down it hurts. We are going to call my cousin, and I'm going to ask him what he is bringing because I don't know what to bring.
Cousin!
I am filming a video. Want to say hi? Want to say hi? This is my cousin. He is a baddie! I don't know. I was going to ask you what to pack because I just have a suitcase with nothing. That's all I have.
Outfit for each day.
Yeah, I have some TikTok outfits. Are we gonna take sunset pictures?
I'm taking my camera.
Oh my god. I have to take that sunset picture.
How your recent video filmed on your phone?
Yeah, did you see? It was like squared. They look bad. So I filmed another one. I posted it.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Look at it now.
Oh, take the brown top and bottom set.
Brown top and bottom set. Like a skirt and a top. Oh, that doesn't fit me. The top is this tiny. I put my hands up and you see it. No! I don't have any clothes. Like at 10 a.m.
Tomorrow?
Yes. I can't put on makeup in the morning because my face gets hinchada. Like right now it feels like I ate 3 bags of chips and I feel like my face is going to blow up right now. I'm not telling them where we're going. It's a trap house. It's called Amy's Trap House. What do you mean, no? Okay! Gotta pack now.
Okay.
Why?
That's it. Bye.
That was no help. He did not help me whatsoever. It's literally nearby and it's just for 3 days and I'm packing a whole suitcase. So there may or may not be a pool, so we're gonna pack some bathing suits. Because it's like 4th of July, we're packing a red one. I got this off of Shein. We got the tanga. And we got this. I actually have pictures in this. I wore this to my birthday bonfire. Insert pictures now. Looking like a baddie. I'm gassy. This is the green one. I wish I had boobs. Obviously, it would be nice to have boobs to fill these in. But yellow. I'm gonna put these in my Shein bag so when they're like wet, I can put them in here. This pack with me is not gonna be one of those organization girlies where they have like stuff for their suitcase. It's just simple. This is my bonnet. My roommate gave this to me. Homegirl gave me a spare one. Pack. How many pairs of chonies should I bring? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chonies. Second is pajamas. Well, literally just a t-shirt and shorts. These are my pajamas, shorts, plus twerking shorts. Seriously, you could mistaken me for Tyla when I wear these. And so if I pull up to a party and I'm wearing these, it's over for all you big booty bitch. My favorite song right now, because you guys asked me, is No One Noticed. I'm packing some shorts. I think these are going to be the only shorts that I'm going to be packing. These at Cotton On. My size and everything. I'm exposing myself. Next up, I'm taking this bodysuit that I got off of TikTok shop. It snatches your waist so good. I couldn't breathe. It's like, it couldn't even go past my butt or whatever. I had to put the hair up. I was legit dying. But anyways, more packing. Next, I am packing a dress from the TikTok shop. Look at this dress. Look at it. I know it looks stringy, wait, but it's actually so good. It's so pretty. It's gonna be the outfit. The outfit. Fun fact, during the 4 months that I wasn't filming or that I haven't posted, I filmed a TikTok shop dress try-on haul, but I got insecure, so I didn't post it. What the heck? I didn't know I could do that on here. Packing the belt. Next, I have this red dress. I could use this for like a cover up for the bikinis. Now, like for the basic tops, like outfits that I'll be wearing, not for pictures, just in general. I got this cheetah shirt. Is it cheetah or leopard? Don't judge me that I don't know the difference. So I have this top. I got this at Ross. Guys, I honestly don't think that I'm going to need to wear jeans, but I wore these today. Okay, so I finished packing like the outfits. Now I need to go find shoes and pack my makeup and skincare. Pack my makeup and skincare then, just because I'm going to use it in the morning and I don't want to unpack it. Next is time for the hair essentials. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little pack with me, although I'm not even fully packed, but I will be tomorrow. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. So I'll catch you guys later in my next video. Bye, teenies!